Hello. Tried budgeting. Failed. Tried again. Failed again. That's not on you. It's on the garbage advice everyone keeps repeating. Here's how to build a budget that actually works. Let's make a budget. A real one. Not some theoretical spreadsheet with random numbers. We're not gonna actually make one. I'm gonna tell you how to make one. But here's the thing. If you skip step 1 and 2, your budget is built on fiction. So do them right because they change everything. And don't worry, after I explain what they are, I'll show you a shortcut to get them done faster. The first step is simple yet tedious, and most people skip it because it sucks. You have to track your spending. You need to know exactly where your money's going right now before you can tell it where to go next. Go through the last 3 months of your spending. I'm talking bank statements, credit cards, debit cards, Venmos, cash apps, receipts. If you paid your friend back for lunch in cash, add it all up. Once you've done all that, divide the total by 3 to get your average monthly spending. The second step also sucks. This is where you break that spending into categories, but keep it simple. Groceries, rent, transportation, entertainment, subscriptions, eating out, etc. Don't overcomplicate this with 20 micro categories. You want to see where the big chunks of money are going. Now, if you hate paperwork or digging through bank statements, I get it. So here's a shortcut. What you want to do is check your online banking. Some have these features that sort out your spending. If not, use a budgeting app. Most of them link to your bank accounts automatically, sort your transactions into categories. Less effort, same result. Once that's done, we move on to step 3. Separate your spending into needs and wants. Rent is a need, premium Spotify is not. Gas to go to work is a need. Take out 5 nights a week, it's not. This isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. This helps you see how much of your money is tied up into things you could actually cut off if you had to. You will not die if you have to listen to some ads for a few seconds or go grocery shopping on your way home from work. Oh, and please be honest about this, because if you cheat and try to justify stuff here, you're only hurting yourself. Once you've tracked your spending and figure out where your money's going, the next step is to look at your income. And I don't just mean your paycheck. Add up everything that hits your bank account in a month. Your job, side gigs, government benefits, child support. If it's money coming in regularly, it goes into the total because that's what we're going to work with. After all of this, you have the 2 numbers that you need to make a budget that fits your lifestyle. Well, the lifestyle you can afford. There are a few ways to carve out a budget. And no, none of them are one size fits all. The most popular is the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, 20% for savings and debt. If that feels tight, there's the 70-20-10 rule, which gives you more room to spend and still save. There's the zero-based budgeting, where every dollar you earn gets a job, no leftovers. This is perfect if you're a control freak. Or you can use the just pay yourself first method, where savings comes on top of anything else and whatever's left is what you live off of. The point I'm trying to make here is to pick a budget that fits your life, not someone else's spreadsheet fantasy. Once you pick a format, compare your actual spending to your ideal budget. If you're overspending in certain areas, especially wants, that's where you make adjustments. Also, keep this in mind. Housing often eats up more than 30 or even 50% of most people's budget, especially in high-cost areas. And that's the bill most people fear the most, because if you lose your home, you lose your safe space. That hits hard, not just financially, but psychologically. But also, let's be real, for most people with really bad finances, canceling subscriptions or eating out less isn't enough. If your rent is eating half of your paycheck, or your car payment is destroying your monthly cash flow, or if you can no longer cover your minimum payments on your credit cards, you might need to consider making some big changes. That could mean finding a cheaper place to live, getting roommates, trading in your car for something more affordable, or getting an extra part-time job for a while until you balance your finances. It sucks, but for a lot of people, budgeting only starts to work after a few tough sacrifices. It's not fun, it's not easy, but it's real. Finally, make the whole process sustainable. Your budget isn't set in stone. It's not a one-time set it and forget it kind of thing. It's a tool you use and adjust as your life changes. Hit a savings goal? Amazing. Now you've got money to reallocate. So yeah, if budgeting failed you before, now you know it wasn't your fault. This time, you're actually gonna have a plan that works. Just remember, your budget isn't a one-time thing, it grows with you. Tweak it a bit, adjust it as your life changes. And if you want help, actually sticking to it or diving deeper into any of these steps, watch this next video.